Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson on stationary and blocking situations, an important topic in the German driving license theory exam. In this lesson, we will focus on the key risks and how to stay safe when vehicles are stopped or blocking the road. As always, the content is tailored specifically for the exam, covering only the topics that are relevant for your test. Stationary vehicles can create many hidden dangers. Why is it dangerous? Pedestrians might come out suddenly from behind parked cars, for example. Children might run across unexpectedly. Doors can open unexpectedly, and your view may be blocked in narrow streets or near the bends. Cyclists and scooters may also swear around obstacles, so you may need to stay alert and anticipate the unexpected. It's crucial to anticipate unseen dangers and take necessary actions such as reducing speed, being ready to brake, using hazard lights if you are yourself the cause of an obstruction, and staying alert, especially in narrow areas. Okay. Approaching stationary vehicles. When you approach stationary vehicles, the first rule is to reduce your speed. This gives you time to react if someone suddenly appears or if a door opens. Always scan the area carefully and be ready to brake if needed. In many cases, people, especially children, can appear from between parked vehicles. Even if you don't see anyone initially, always expect someone might step out. This means you should avoid overtaking quickly and stay cautious. Passing a broken down vehicle requires extra caution. Pass slowly because the driver or passenger may exit the vehicle suddenly, or doors might open without warning. Other drivers may also swerve unexpectedly, so stay alert and keep your speed low. Sometimes your view will be blocked by large vehicles or other obstacles. It's important to continue braking gently and early. Slow down if the traffic ahead hasn't stopped yet because pedestrians, cyclists, or animals may suddenly appear. Narrow roads with parked cars on both sides limit your space and sight. You might need to yield to oncoming traffic if there is not enough room. Always be prepared to stop or slow down in these tight spots to avoid accidents. In real life situations can be complex, like groups of motorcyclists moving slowly, pedestrians exiting vehicles, or drivers turning across blocked lanes. The key is to slow down early, stay vigilant, and never assume it's safe just because traffic seems stationary. To sum up, slow down near all stationary vehicles. Expect the unexpected. Don't overtake quickly, and use your hazard lights if you create a hazard. Passing narrow gaps safely means yielding when necessary.